model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer Relay L3 LWB 2.2 Hdi ULEZ compliant tipper non-runner engine 53k miles no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 53,494. Engine, 2,198 cc4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, engine will run on easy start with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Ideally wants engine rebuild or replacement, all of the parts are there, nothing is missing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, tipper in working order, electric windows. Euro status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.